If you have a healed nostril piercing and you're trying to buy a nose hoop online, the hardest part is usually not choosing the style. It's choosing the size. Because on paper, 6 millimeters, 7 millimeters, and 8 millimeters sound almost the same. But once they're on your nose, they can look completely different. So here's the simple way to think about it. The size you see on a nose hoop listing usually means the inner diameter. That means the space inside the hoop, not the outside edge. For most healed nostril piercings, 7 millimeters or 8 millimeters is usually where people start. If your piercing sits quite close to the edge of your nostril and you like a snug, delicate look, 7 millimeters may be closer to what you want.
If your piercing sits a little higher, or you want the hoop to have a softer, more relaxed curve, 8 millimeters is often the safer choice. 6 millimeters can look really clean and tight, but it is not the best guess for everyone. If your piercing is not very low, 6 millimeters may feel too close or look too tight. 9 millimeters can work if your piercing sits higher, your nostril is wider, or you simply don't want that close-fitting look. The most common mistake is buying based only on what looks pretty in a photo. A hoop that looks perfect on someone else may sit totally differently on you, because everyone's nostril shape and piercing placement is different. So, before you buy, ask yourself 3 things. Where does my piercing sit? Do I want a snug look or a relaxed look? And do I already know what diameter I'm wearing now? At STEPOY, we make 14K solid gold seamless hoops for healed piercings, with sizes from 6 to 15 millimeters, so you can choose the fit instead of being forced into one standard size. If you're unsure, start with the size guide first, then choose the hoop that matches the look you actually want.